friends, welcome and namaste to our channel GATE Helpline, which is focused on helping GATE aspirants. This video is about 7 things you must know before filling GATE 2021 exam. These are very basic and must have information on GATE 2021. Please watch the video till end. There are 2 important news regarding GATE 2021 at the end of the video. So let's start the video.
Friends, please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get all the latest updates regarding GATE exam.
GATE 2021. GATE stands for Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. So friends, we'll start with the first point, that is national examination. So GATE is a national examination and we'll prove it with few of the records. So in GATE 2020, 8,59,048 candidates registered, and out of those 6,84,903, that is approx 80% candidates, appeared in various sessions of the exams conducted at 566 centers of 199 cities across India, and these numbers are huge. Point 2 is conducted by IISc and IITs, that is GATE is a national examination conducted jointly by Indian Institute of Science, IISc Bangalore and 7 IIT, Indian Institute of Technology at Bombay, Delhi, Guwahati, Kanpur, Kharagpur, Madras and Roorkee on behalf of National Coordination Board, that is NCB GATE, Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Education, MOE, Government of India. Point number 3 is based on CBT pattern, that is GATE examination is a computer based test. Writing skills and writing materials are needed when writing a paper based test. To write a computer based test, all you need to know is a basic digital literacy skill to handle 1 or 2 computer peripherals, including computer keyboard and mouse. So must recommend to practice CBT, that is computer based test, and this becomes more recommended and must have skill for the aspirants who are non-computer science and IED aspirants. Point number 4 is Organizing 2021 IITB, that is Organizing Institute for GATE 2021 is Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. So the question which we used to hear every year, that too in a very bulk amount, is how tough is the paper set by a particular IIT, which is the Organizing Institute that year. So this year it is IIT Bombay. So the questions which we are likely to have is how tough is the paper set by IIT Bombay. So friends, the answer to this question is, first of all we want to know that no particular IIT sets the question paper. IIT only organizes the exam. Questions are framed and sent by professors from all IITs. So there is no point of difficulty level of question from a particular IIT. So this question is a myth. Point number 5. Validity 3 years. So friends, GATE 2021 score will remain valid for 3 years from the date of announcement of results. That is, GATE 2021 scorecard is the official document certifying the qualified status of candidates with validity of 3 years from the date of announcement of result. Details like candidates marks, score, all India rank, qualifying marks, total number of candidates appeared is mentioned in the GATE scorecard, and you need to download your GATE scorecard as soon as the results are announced. Point number 6 is Subjects 27. That is, GATE is basically a national examination on the comprehensive understanding of the candidates in various undergraduate subjects in engineering, technology, architecture and postgraduate level subjects in arts, commerce and science. GATE 2021 will be conducted for 27 subjects, also referred to as papers. So there will be 27 papers in GATE 2021. And number 7, that is benefits. Yes, when you are ready to do a lot of hard work, it must give you rewards as well. Let's see about it. Qualifying in GATE is mandatory requirement for seeking admissions or financial assistance to postgraduate programs, masters and doctoral with Ministry of Education and other government scholarships, assistance, subjects to the admission criteria of the admitting institute. And the second benefit is the GATE score is also used by some PSUs, that is public sector undertakings, for their recruitment and by several other universities in India and abroad for admissions. So friends, these are the two benefits you will get. The first one is scholarship plus a master or doctoral degree, and the second one is recruitment in PSUs. These were the few basic facts we thought you must know before filling the GATE 2021 forms. If you like the content, please share the video to reach others as well, and do hit the like button. And now we want to discuss something important, that is, due to COVID-19, exam dates are tentative. Please make sure you are filling your examination centers keeping in mind that the dates are tentative. Now the second important thing is GOP's website. Applications will start from 14 September 2020 and fill your forms as soon as possible. Don't wait for the last date. Last date for filling the forms is 30th September 2020. And friends, FYI, in GATE 2020, the window for filling the forms has been extended to few days, but GATE has charged extra fee as well. So this time, if you are going to appear for GATE 2021, then fill your forms as soon as possible. And if you have any doubt or question, please comment. Friends, please like and share the video and tell us in comments about your experiences and difficulties faced regarding GATE examination. So friends, thanks for watching our video. Please like, subscribe and share our videos to appreciate our work. If you have any doubt or comment, please ask in comment.